Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's a new adventure. Ngayon, we are at the market, Bangkok. Punta tayo ngayon sa Central World para kumain. So, come with us in this new adventure and let's have fun! Okay guys, we are here sa Sizzlers. So steak, seafood, salad. It's a buffet restaurant and we'll show you around what they have, okay? Ito yung queue number namin. Papasok na kami at naghahanap na ng mauupuan. So guys, let's go around the buffet salad area. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quick kung ano yung meron dito sa buffet salad. Nga pala dito guys, sa may Sizzlers, what you usually do is order yung main dish, tapos libre na ang salad, 1 to sawa. Meron din silang dessert bar. And of course, meron din silang soup station. So, eto yung kinuha ko guys. Mag-start tayo dito. Mushroom soup. Nilagyan ko or binudburan ko ng maraming parmesan and croutons. And then I got the grain salad. Nilagyan ko ng mga beans, ng onions, ng parmesan. Of course, yung sprouts and cruciferous, which is yung ating broccoli. Let's eat, guys! Guys, don't forget to get food. Kain na tayo ng lunch, brunch, breakfast, dinner, or whatever time you're gonna be watching this video. Guys, kain! First bite! Good. Pasta is a little overcooked, pero okay lang. I think kaya mas maraming tayo dito kuminsan is because it's out of the ordinary na lasa ng food nila.
Tapos mura siya. Mura siya. Like literal na buffet na ganito. Mura siya, bes.
Oo, kasi ang babayaran mo lang yung main dish, tapos libre na tong itong salad and everything else na buffet. Mura talaga siya. Feeling ko ang dadamihan kong kain dito, fruits.
Yeah.
Guys, ito yung in-order kong main. Chicken, baby back rib, a side of corn, and quinoa. Paparating yung fries mamaya.
So, how are you enjoying Bangkok so far?
Sobrang happy. Sobrang completely different from the other countries that I've been to.
Ano yung
First of all, because of the weather.
weather? Okay.
Yeah. It's not a setback. The weather's not a setback kasi it's somehow similar to the Philippines. Kaya, kung taga-Pilipinas ka, huwag masyadong umang-arte. Pangalawa, I love the people. Very friendly, very matulungin. If you ask a question, they will try their best, do their best to help. Pangatlo, and most importantly, sarap ng food. Sobrang sarap ng food.
Ano yung misconception mo about Bangkok? About Thailand?
Thailand, na magulo,
Madumi?
madumi, fries, burger. So going back to the question, 3 things or things that disappointed me.
Are there?
Airport.
Okay.
Because guys, medyo inaayos yung Suwana po ngayon na airport. Yung malaki, yung international. So doon ako sa Medong Muang.
The smaller one.
The smaller one. If you guys watch yung unang video ko, nagkaroon ako ng issue sa Grab, yung mga ganon. Kasi nga, parang mali yung pinipin niya doon sa totoong location ko. Kaya parang 10 minutes kaming nag-uusap nung driver, eh hindi siya masyadong magaling mag-English. So talagang, snakes and ladder ang nangyari. Hanap, sis. Talagang naiyak na nga ako yun nung time na yun. Second thing that disappointed me, pero again, understandable, na maraming hindi nakakapag-English. On the contrary, kahit hindi sila nakapag-English, hindi katulad ng ibang bansa na non-English speakers na hindi ka na lang nila papansinin. Dito, they will make a conscious effort pa rin to help you out. In my almost 2 weeks of staying here in Bangkok or in Thailand in general, wala nang mga major na issues na na-encounter ko, which is rare for a popular country and a popular city at that. Soup guys, kain. Sarap, so creamy. Cheese. Kain na tayo ng baby back ribs, yung chicken with pineapple, tapos yung barbecue sauce, corn on the cob, and parang quinoa salad.
What are the 3 things that you will miss most in Bangkok?
People. You, definitely.
Oy.
Oo naman, te. Food. Safety. It's very safe here in Thailand. If you guys heard na may mga magnanakaw, hindi mga Thai people yun.
Yeah.
It's exactly like Singapore or Japan na you can leave your things, your cell phone, your wallet sa isang table para i-reserve yung table na yon and no one will get it. Walang kukuha. First bite ng baby back rib and pineapple. Kain na. Sa. Very good. Chicken naman. Kain. Konting kagat lunok agad. Guys, first bite ng toast. Oh, sobra. Pakinggan nyo. Ay, wala kayo maririnig.
Naimas?
Ubusan lang namin tong food namin and I'll see you again later. Hi guys, we just finished eating. So, andito na kami ngayon sa BTS. Papunta kami ng Jod Fairs Rama 9. So yes, we'll see you there and let's enjoy. We'll see you there. Yun lang.
We are here in Chatuchakmar. So, yeah. And we are gonna go to Praramta.
Hi guys, so andito na tayo sa may Rama 9. Let me show you yung food court nila. Matutuwa kayo. So ayan, ang daming fruits. Iba-ibang klaseng moving. Ayan. Ang daming iba-ibang food. Meron din pala silang chicharon dito. Sausages. They also have fruit juices. So ayan siya guys. So as you can see, very very colorful ang traditional na Thai food. Tapos gusto nila maraming variety. Maraming sauces, maraming ingredients. Naku, matatawag ba tong Thailand kung wala silang fresh fruits? Ang dami niyan. Sarap. This is called pansip.
Pansip.
Pansip. So, it's like small empanada. Fish yung laman. Try natin.
See? Yung reaction
Ayan
niya.
siya guys. Para siyang asado na flavor, pero fish. Pero walang lansa. Ang sarap, gar. When you're here in Thailand, look for this. Or yung ganito.
Maliliit.
Ayan yung itsura niya. Maliliit
Like,
siya.
sobrang liit niya lang.
Ayan ito yung finger ko. Parang isang section lang ng finger ko. We have here kanom cake. We are under his stall.
20
Sawadee
baht.
krap. Okay, so let's try the coffee or mocha first.
Mocha. Yes, that's right.
Bon appetit.
Alright.
It's really good. Aroy. Sarap.
Alright.
Aroy. Pero, since nakatingin si Kuya, bibili tayo, no? So, we'll get the caramel almond,
Blueberry.
blueberry, and the mocha, please.
Mocha niya.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Sorry, what's her name?
ชื่ออะไรนะคะ
Check?
Yeah.
Nice to
Check.
meet you, Check.
Check.
Check. Check.
Okay. Oh, free one.
Yeah.
Oh, free one.
Okay.
Okay.เอาอะไร
Free one? Okay, I'll get the pork.
ไม่ใช่
No, I'm kidding.
ขอบคุณนะคะ
Popcorn crab, Check.
So,
Oh, si Check, no? In fairness, bihisan mo lang yon, pagupitan mo, check na rin siya talaga, no? Charot lang, kayo naman. Here we go! So, eto palang Jod Fairs. Yung totoong Jod Fairs, the original one. So, wait, Jod Fairs din ba sa kabila?
sa kabila na lang tayo.
Okay. May tatlong Jod Fair. Yung unang pinasukan natin kanina, which is sa likod. Ito yung sa harap. Pangalawa. At pangatlo. Okay. Let's enter the dragon. Ay! Guys, ito yung famous na bone or lengsap, yung famous na bone soup. Ayan, no, yung parang tower, guys. Guys, ito yung mga parating laman ng vlog ng mga creators pag nasa Thailand, mga exotic food nila. Crickets, bugs, and everything. They also have scorpions. Okay, so tatapusin ko muna dito yung video. Feeling ko naman busog na ang inyong mga mata sa mga naganap sa araw na ito. So if you like this video, or even if you did not, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell para naman kumaya ka, mga misis, mga sir, ma'am. See you on the next video. Mwah! Popcorn crab!